Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw Ethereum from Binance to Trust Wallet. In order to do this, you will have to launch your Binance mobile application and then you need to tap on the Wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now over here, you need to tap on Spot in the top and then you will be redirected on this balances page where you are going to see all of the coins that you own in your Binance mobile app. Now among the coins that you have, you need to tap on ETH, which is Ethereum, and here you are going to see this withdrawal button in the bottom. So you need to tap on withdrawal and then it will ask you whether you want to send your crypto via crypto network or you want to send it to any other Binance user. So as we want to transfer our Ethereum from Binance to Trust Wallet, you need to select the first option. Now over here it will ask you to provide the address. So over here you will have to launch your Trust Wallet mobile application and then in the search bar you simply need to search for ETH. Now once you have found Ethereum in this list, you simply need to tap on Ethereum and then you need to tap on receive. Now over here you are going to see its QR code as well as its deposit address. So you need to tap on copy and then you need to come to your Binance app and you simply need to paste the address over here. Now after pasting the address, you will have to select the network, which in our case is ERC20. You will have to make sure that the network is correct, whether it is TRC20, BP20 or ERC20. Then you will have to select address or region. So you need to tap on the select platform option. Then you need to tap on wallet and after that you will have to select Trust Wallet and then confirm. Then you can add any label if you want to, and if you don't want to do it, then you can even skip it and then you need to press the save button over here in the bottom. Once done, you will be redirected on the next page where you will have to review all the information that you have mentioned previously, and still if you want to confirm your withdrawal, then you will have to tap on the withdrawal button in order to withdraw your Ethereum from Binance to Trust Wallet. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.